Oil seeds are tasty, easy to store, and can be taken anywhere. Although small, they are rich in zinc, potassium, iron, fiber, omega-3 and omega-6, which aid immunity and fight free radicals. Today's recipe is considered a homemade remedy rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that strengthen the immune system. We are exposed daily to many diseases, but if our immune system is strong and healthy, the body responds better to the viruses and bacteria it encounters. A strong immune system reduces the risk of infections since our defense cells can react faster and positively to the pathogens. See how to make this mixture of oil seeds, honey, and lemon. Write down the ingredients: 1/4 cup of raisins, 8 small prunes, 8 dried apricots, 3 tablespoons almonds, 1/4 cup of nuts, 2.5 ounces of honey, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, zest of 1 lemon. Add the oil seeds and honey to a food processor or blender. Process until it becomes a smooth paste. Pour the oil seed paste into a container. Add the lemon juice and zest, then mix well. Take 1 tablespoon a day, preferably on an empty stomach, half an hour before your breakfast. Besides this natural remedy, you can boost your immunity by sunbathing every day, drinking plenty of water, exercising, sleeping well, reducing your consumption of processed foods, and avoiding alcohol and cigarettes. Now you know how to keep away from diseases and strengthen your immune system. Try this remedy and apply these tips to your life.